Share this video with your auntie. Oh yes, she needs to know. Share this video with your cousin. Oh yes, girl, she needs to know. Share this video with your little sister. Oh my God, girl, out of everybody, she needs to know. Hey there, my lovely Inspire babes. Welcome back. If you are new, hey, welcome. On here we talk everything inspirational, girl talks, advice, and relationships. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, do us both a favor. Subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Too easy. Oh, before I forget, I just want to shout out Nina Bonita. I'm so sorry, girl, if I messed up your name, but you were the first to comment on my last week's video, and I just want you to know that I really do appreciate you. So thank you so much. If you guys want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is just be the first to comment. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So get right into the video. If your man isn't doing 1 or 2 of these things, I'm not trying to tell you that he doesn't want you. I'm not telling you that you should go dump him, go break up with him, and leave him already. Okay? I'm just trying to give you some pointers on how you can know if a guy really wants you or not. Okay? That's just it, girl. Nothing too serious. Okay? Okay. First things first. If you always have this uncertain feeling or this question in the back of your head, wondering if he really wants you, then that's usually a sign that he doesn't. You know why? Because when a man really wants you, there's no question about it. Simply because of the way that he makes you feel so secure in that relationship. So there's no question if he really wants to take this relationship seriously, or if he really likes you, or if he's really into you. There's no question. Moving on to tip number 2. Gotta keep it going. So girl, focusing on their actions will tell you exactly what you need to know, because a man will always show you their intentions towards you based on their actions. So if you focus on their actions, that will show you exactly how they feel about you. And it could be something as simple as their tone of voice when they speak to you on a regular basis. If they easily get irritated or get upset when you try to ask them just a simple question. Or maybe they're just not really interested when you try to have just a day-to-day conversation. So I know that men are not very much known as emotional human beings, but the action never ever lies. So focus on their actions. Moving on to tip number 3, I believe. So ladies, what I want you to always remember is that a guy that really wants you is always willing to help you whenever you ask. That's even if you even have to ask at all. Okay? He doesn't sit around and watch you do it all by yourself. You both operate as a team. If my husband is cooking, I'm washing the dishes. If I do the laundry, he's folding the clothes. You both have to operate as a team. So a man that really wants you, he doesn't just sit around and watch you do every single thing by yourself. Oh no, baby, that's not how it works over here. We gonna operate as a team, or we're not gonna operate at all. Okay? Okay. Moving on to tip number 4. So a man that really wants you, they involve you in their current or future plans, dreams, and goals. You know, they value your opinion as well. And you know why? Because they trust you and they want you to be a part of those dreams, plans, goal that they have. And men that don't want you, girl, they're not going to tell you what they're up to. They're not going to tell you nothing, okay? So a man that really wants you, they involve you in their current or future plans. So my tip number 5 is, a man that really wants you, he listens to you and actually do what you ask of him. If there is a habit or just a behavior that you really don't like, you only have to talk to him about it maybe once or twice. But girl, you don't have to talk to him beyond that. You know why? Because he values you that much and you're a priority, and he just doesn't want to disappoint you. So he listens to you. He listens when you complain. He listens to every single thing so that he can improve himself. So my tip number 6 is that he makes you feel essential. Okay? And it doesn't ever have to be lavish gifts or any of that extra stuff, but just simple things as just wishing you a great day. making sure that you are okay, always reminding you that he loves and cares for you, being a comforter when you need some sort of comfort, reassuring you that you are the best and the greatest. Those things are free and they are priceless. So these are all the tips that I have to share for you guys. I have to get ready for my date night. So I really do hope that you guys enjoy this video. Share this video with your auntie. Oh yes, she needs to know. Share this video with your cousin. Oh yes, girl, she needs to know. Share this video with your little sister. Oh my God, girl, out of everybody, she needs to know. Okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope that you guys have a wonderful and a blessed Friday night, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.